Hi, I'm Austin, and today on the Points Unknown channel, we're going to take a whole bunch of neoprene that I got off of Amazon and try to make myself my own hand warmers, hand covers over the handlebar neoprene warmers, wind blocker warmer thingies to go over my handlebars, keep my hands warmer in the winter because it's snowing outside, and even with hand warmers, heated hand grips rather, my hands get cold. So the idea is to take some of this neoprene, get it wrapped around here some way or another, give it some structure, and you know, make myself some hand warmers. So start with some templating for this thing. We're going to want it to come around in the top and then around here. And I want to cut a big notch out of this. That's about the length to cut the first one. Much more manageable size now. It's still going to go this way. And then around. Just hold it together. I want to pull tight on this, so we're going to want to take a notch out. Not too tight, but I'd say right about here. Based on the measurements we took earlier, we're going to cut out 16-inch by 28-inch square, put a slit in the side where we're going to do the roll, and then have a secondary supporting 15-inch by 2.5-inch section that will give it a little more shape. And then the idea is that we're going to cut some notches out of the side, out of here, to give it a little bit of an L shape, and then sew it all together flat, and yeah, that should do it. The last thing we're going to do here is put Velcro on. I've already put one side on, and it'll Velcro here. That'll be the closure around the mirror. And then I'll do a couple of Velcro strips that go across the here to just attach to points on the other side, just to basically just hold it on. Yep, so that'll just Velcro there. This top part will Velcro around the other stuff up top. That's going to look pretty good, I think. Let's go see how it fits. So we'll undo the Velcro pieces. Of course, we did most of it inside out, so now we're switching sides because we sewed it the same way that we had it on upside down. Get it around there. Velcro there. Oh, I thought I was going to put it on the top. There we go. And then Velcro over here on the bottom to hold it in. Opposite of what I said I was going to do. Full marks for that. And that is it. That looks actually pretty good for a prototype. Hand goes right in there. Stays open. It's a little floppy. Probably would flop around quite a bit in the wind. But, you know, I think it's going to work well. I am with my new hand warmers, or hand covers, for a little more wind protection on the road. As you can probably hear, it's very noisy as I'm going down the freeway getting passed by a truck, but yeah, hands are quite warm in here actually. I mean, usually wearing summer gloves I would be cold right now. Even with the hand guards that I have, cold air kind of gets pumped into my jacket when I wear gloves like this. I have the open, open cuffs, but when I put them in the hand warmers, yeah, I feel no wind going up my sleeves. It feels fantastic. So honestly, I couldn't be happier with how these work out. Certainly the left one is a little more better made than the right one, and so I might make some modifications so the right one's a little just a little bit better, take out some of the extra fabric. But yeah, overall I like I said, I couldn't be more happy with how these perform on a misty, rainy day here in Hood River, Oregon. So that sums up this session of the Points Unknown Garage, where we made over the handlebar wind cover warmer things for a motorcycle. Of course, there are commercial options available, but for about $12 in neoprene and a couple hours of labor, these seem to be pretty nice, and hopefully will extend my riding season into the winter. If you like what you saw on the Points Unknown channel, please like the video or subscribe to more content just like this. We cover motorcycle stuff, van life, camping, mountain biking, all kinds of adventures. Would love it if you came back and saw some more. Thanks.